Kung Pao Chicken, a Sichuan delicacy with delicious taste and flavor. Its name comes from Ding Baoxian, a famous minister of the Qing dynasty. Nowadays, Kung Pao Chicken is known for its unique spicy and fragrant flavor. Became a star dish in Chinese restaurants. Today we will explore the secrets of making Kung Pao Chicken together. Bring this classic dish into your kitchen. First, let us prepare the required ingredients. 300 g chicken breast, 15 g dried chili, 50 g peanuts, appropriate amount of onion, ginger, and garlic. As for seasoning, we need light soy sauce, old soy cooking wine, white sweet and sour water, starch and pepper, oil. Don't forget the most important thing, love. Step 1. First, we need to process the chicken breasts. Cut chicken breast into small cubes, then add a little salt, pepper, light soy sauce and water. Starch, mix well and marinate for 20 minutes. This step can make the diced chicken more flavorful and taste better. Step 2. Next, let's deal with the ingredients. Dried chilies, cut into small pieces, onions, cut into minced green onions, ginger and garlic, minced. These ingredients not only add to the aroma of dishes, it can also bring different flavor levels. Step 3. Now let's start cooking. First, put an appropriate amount of oil in the pot and heat it. Then add the marinated diced chicken. Stir fry quickly until it changes color. Then take out the chicken and set aside. Step 4. In the same pot, add dried chili pepper and a small amount of pepper oil and stir fry over low heat until fragrant. Then add minced ginger and garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Step 5. Then add the fried diced chicken back to the pot. Add appropriate amount of light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, cooking wine, white sugar and vinegar. Stir fry quickly to coat every piece of chicken with delicious seasonings. Step 6. Finally, sprinkle in the pre-fried peanuts and chopped green onion. Stir fry a few times quickly. Let the crunchiness of peanuts and the freshness of chopped green onion blend into every bite of diced chicken. Finishing, after serving, a dish of Kung Pao chicken with bright color and rich flavor is completed. In this process, the perfect combination of spicy and sour plus the crunch of peanuts and the tenderness of chicken makes for an unforgettable meal. This is the process of making Kung Pao chicken. Although there are many steps, every step is full of fun. I hope you can in your own kitchen. You can also make delicious Kung Pao chicken like this. Give your taste buds an extraordinary journey. Let's make cooking a pleasure. Explore more possibilities in the world of food together. Whether it's a family dinner or a get-together with friends, this Kung Pao chicken can become the star of the table, win the admiration of everyone. Remember, cooking is not just a skill, it is an art, ability to transform simple ingredients into unforgettable meals. Every cutting, every stirring, every seasoning, they are all telling a story about taste and love. When trying to make Kung Pao chicken, you might as well add your creativity and thoughts. Maybe add a little vanilla of your choice to the seasoning or use special materials to replace traditional ingredients. Can make this dish more unique and interesting. There are no absolute rules in the world of cooking. Every try may become the starting point for the next delicious meal. Finally, don't forget to share your work, whether it's taking a photo and uploading it to social media or invite friends and family to taste it. Food can always bring people closer together. Let love and warmth spread in every piece of food. Now you have mastered how to make Kung Pao chicken. Why not take action now to make this delicious dish full of Sichuan soul? How about breathing new life into your kitchen? Remember that every dish is made by you, an expression of love and enjoyment of life. May you gain full happiness and satisfaction on your cooking journey. Now let's pick up the spatula together. Let's start a wonderful cooking journey.